How to link a bank account to forex.com. Are you guys facing issues to link a bank account to forex.com? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To link a bank account, first of all, open browser on your laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the browser, enter forex.com website. Once you enter the website, log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, just simply tap on My Account, which you can see at this option. Tap on it. Once you click on it, tap on Funding and select Deposits. Choose Bank Transfer or use the Plate option if available. This allows you to securely connect your online banking. Select a bank from list or search manually if not listed. Then enter your online banking credentials to authorize the connection. Insert your bank authorize the connection. A one-time passcode set up beforehand, as this may block the link. Once connected, your bank account will be authorized for deposits and your name must match the one on your forex.com account to comply with funding rules. You can then make a SCS deposit minimum $100 and they typically arrive instantly or within 30 minutes. And if you are not sure how to do this, make sure to check out other videos in this channel for full guidance. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.